Hey everybody, welcome back to the Western Southerner YouTube channel. I'm gonna go to Albania. I'm doing an overseas trip, work trip. It's not a play trip, but I think I'm gonna get to do a little bit of playing while I'm working, which will be fun. And I'm gonna tell you guys about what I'm bringing in my carry-on bag. I'm not gonna check any bags, just gonna do a carry-on. I think it's gonna be like 2 weeks I'm out there. I'm gonna pack smart. I'm gonna try to bring everything I need for a lot of different activities and what I'm planning to bring, and maybe give you a little bit of the process behind the items I'm bringing. Okay, so to start off with, I've got a carry-on bag here I'm gonna bring. This is a Osprey bag. It's a Porter 46. It's got shoulder straps and a little hip belt. It is super uncomfortable to carry with the shoulder straps and the hip belt. So, you know, I'm not gonna be trying to use this as a backpack. That doesn't work. This bag just has one big main compartment and like maybe a couple little small organizing compartments. I put this strap on it. It doesn't match, but this is a shoulder strap, I think from a Watershed bag. This is so I can carry it, you know, over my shoulder in the airport. I also bought this little $6 belly bag at Walmart. I kind of like the color of it, and I figured this might be useful, so maybe I'll use this too. Okay, so as far as shoes go, I'm basically just bringing 2 pairs of shoes. I'm gonna bring this pair of sandals. These are the Bedrock sandals. They're kind of like flip-flop sandals. They're not super comfortable, I gotta say, but that probably has more to do with me needing to lose 20 pounds than these being good shoes. I'm also gonna bring these Solomon kind of running trail shoes. They're the ones that don't have laces. They just got the kind of cinch down thing. XA Pro 3D. And I think they're they got Gore-Tex in them. So, you know, these are pretty good shoes. That's my second pair of them. I like them a lot. They're comfortable. You can walk a long way. I'm gonna bring a rain jacket. This is a nice rain jacket. I don't know. I've got another one I might bring, but I'm gonna bring a raincoat. I don't think I'm gonna bring any rain pants. I think I'm gonna freestyle that. Got a few pairs of socks I'm bringing, just your typical kind of smart wool socks. I think I got a pair of like Dickies socks I'm gonna bring. And as far as clothing goes, everything I'm bringing is kind of like a quick dry, nylon, kind of polyester thing, like an LLB fishing shirt, Patagonia hoodie shirt. I like these Orvis shirts. These open air caster shirts are really nice. They're expensive, but man, these are super comfortable. I got this just the other day, man. This might be my new favorite shirt, the Sims Big Sky shirt. So probably gonna bring a little small container of laundry detergent. I'm gonna do that just because pretty much all this stuff, I can like, you know, do some laundry in a Ziploc bag, sink in a hotel somewhere with this quick dry nylon stuff, and then it's dry the next morning. Or, you know, worst case scenario, you put it on and wear it and it dries out while you're wearing it. So, you know, it's like the Mediterranean, so it's gonna be pretty warm out there. Bring a headlamp. I always like bringing a headlamp. This one's got a rechargeable battery on it. Petzl makes it. I actually really like these. I like them so much. This is the second one I bought. 20,000 milliamps or hours or something like that. And I got a anchor cord around here somewhere I gotta find that has some different adapters on it, which is pretty slick. I like it, and it seems pretty rugged. Some sunscreen. I don't hardly use it. I just wear long sleeves and wear a hat, but I'll bring it anyway. Write in a rain notebook and a pen. Passport, don't forget that. This is something kind of cool I'm gonna bring. It's this adapter. It's got different style of plugs on it. So this is like one's like a European. You slide this one out at some other place overseas. You push the button, it slides back in. It's got a normal USA style plug. This one like a clickbait article about favorite travel things. So, and then it also has USB things on the bottom you can plug in also. So kind of area. I usually carry some Ziploc bags and like maybe a garbage bag. Don't ask me why, but in a catastrophe, maybe a garbage bag will come in handy. Eye mask to sleep with so that I could sleep on the plane. Or Max earplugs. They're like the way to go. They're like, they really actually make it so you can't hear anything. What is this? A fork and a spoon and a knife. Plastic knife and a fork and a spoon. A hand sanitizer, deodorant, soap, stuff like that. The headphones for the plane, alcohol wipes, comb, a good comb. I think you can bring a big lighter on a plane, so just in case, I don't know, weird outdoorsy person thing. Advil PMs, Advil with a little bit of Benadryl in it. This stuff's pretty killer. I recommend carrying some of that. And I got some kind of normal Advil too I'll bring. A couple kind of random things I'm gonna bring just because I'm not quite sure what all we're gonna be getting into. I think we're gonna go rafting, I think we're gonna do some hiking, go see some sights and stuff, and I'm not quite sure what the sleeping situations are gonna be like. They're gonna provide some gear, just don't quite know what to expect. So I'm gonna bring a thermarest. You know, Neo Air thermarest. I'm a total sellout, and I bought the one with the pump, or I got the pump for it, which is a game changer. You know, I don't want to get there and not have anywhere to sleep. Got a little inflatable pillow I'll bring. This is like a Cedar Summit, I think. A little bit better than laying your head on a bundled up sweatshirt. So I'm gonna bring a good pair of leather gloves. Don't ask me why. Just bring a good pair of leather gloves. Passport, don't forget that. A couple extra Ziploc bags just in case. Some dude wipes, mint and chill flavor. Extra set of croquis. I'll bring my glasses case, sunglasses obviously. I'll probably bring a brim hat as well. So I'm gonna bring my PLB, which is a personal locator beacon. It's kind of like a spot pager or a Garmin InReach. You can't talk to people with this thing, but if you set it off, it's like, help me, I'm in danger, I'm dying kind of situation. Probably don't need it, and I don't know if it's any good in Albania. No, it's good like in the middle of the ocean, so it's probably good in Albania to a degree. Gonna bring that. Here's my brimmed hat I'm gonna bring. Gonna bring a vest, probably not needed. Packs up really small, and you know, I think we might go up in the mountains. Might come in handy, so I'll bring this along. The camp towel, again, probably not needed, but it beats trying to dry off with one of your t-shirts. Obviously, I can't bring like a pocket knife or anything like that, you know, flying on a plane. If I could, I would bring a Leatherman or anything along those lines either. Although one time I did bring a pair of fishing pliers on a carry-on bag going to St. Martin, and got away with the fishing pliers. So maybe a pair of blue jeans, we'll see. I got to fit all this in this bag. We'll see if there's any room left. So, all right, so I think I actually bring this little small bag. I think it's like 20 liters. In addition to this is just kind of a lightweight backpack. It kind of packs down in on itself, which is nice. This thing is just a little bit lower profile. I'll bring this one. Anyway, folks, you know, keep an eye out. I'll probably upload a bunch of shorts of cool stuff I see along the way. Thanks for watching. You know, just because you're traveling overseas doesn't mean that you got to carry a carry-on bag and a bunch of stuff. If you know how to kind of travel light and, you know, don't mind wearing a shirt a couple days in a row or doing laundry in a sink, you know, you can get by with that kind of stuff pretty fine. So thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe if you like this video, and stay tuned. Take care.